Hi everyone, this is a Hot Wheels version of the Chevy Cobra concept. It was one of the ones Ford came out with probably around 2005, 2006. Hot Wheels released a 1/18 scale of it. It's really beautiful. I've never opened this up before, so come join me. Ford was looking for a successor to the Ford GT, and so they come up with this Ford Shelby concept. I really love the color, I really love the style, I love the blue seats. I think this is one of the most beautiful models and concepts that Ford has come out with, and I'm very thankful to own this 118. Thank you so much for watching. If you like, please subscribe and like on my YouTube channel. I also have lots of Amazon links. I'm an Amazon influencer, so if you want to look through some websites for Amazon with the 1/18 scale models, please go ahead, and I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.